In this video, I will show you how to remove password from Windows 11. So let's get started. First, click on Start button on the taskbar. Now click on Settings. On Settings page, in the left panel, click on Accounts. On the right side, under Account Settings, click on Sign In Options. On Sign In Options page, under Ways to sign in, click on Password. If you have already set the login password on Windows 11, then you will get the button as Change. Just click on Change button. Now on the Change Your Password screen, just enter your current login password. Once you enter your current password, click Next. On the next screen, you need to enter your new password. You need to enter the same password in the Confirm Password field, and you have to enter the password hint so that if you forget your password, then you can recover it using that hint. But as we want to remove the Windows 11 login password, we are going to keep new password and confirm password field as blank. Now click on Next and then click on Finish. And within seconds, your Windows 11 login password will be removed. So that is how you can remove password from Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.